Hello children, in this video we are going to study computers, chapter number 3, computers in our society. Children, this is the age of computers. There is no field where the computer is not playing an important role. Children, if you are going to learn about computers, you must know what will be the utility of your knowledge and what kind of work you will do. In this chapter, we will discuss the uses of computers in various fields. Children, we see the use of computers in education. In mathematics and science, there are various topics which cannot be explained without diagrams. You can make such diagrams on the computer and store them in its memory so that in future when you wish to show these diagrams to the students, you can do by clicking on the appropriate button or icon. Now children, similarly, computers are used in communication. When you dial a telephone number to talk with somebody, sometimes you hear a message, line is busy, please dial after some time, or dial 7 instead of 2, etc. Children, these messages are stored in the computer at telephone exchanges. When you dial a number, a computer searches for that number and passes on the suitable message or connects the line. Children, you can imagine how computers work like an obedient telephone operator. It means what children? Computer does the works of telephone operator. Now fax machines are also used with computers. This coordination facilitates the storage of input messages. Children, in the field of entertainment also, computers are used. Computers are not only obedient servant, but they are also your friend. When you get bored, children, you can enjoy various video games on the computer. Children, there is also use of computers in defense department. All records of the enemy regarding weapons, style of attack and defense, etc. are stored in computers. These records are helpful in times of wars. Weapons like computer controlled missiles and other weapons which hit the target accurately can be very useful with the help of computers. Now children, we see computers in hospitals also. Children, a computer can scan your body and diagnose the disease with the help of some other medical equipments. Children, computerized eye testing is an example of such an application. Nowadays, children, eye testing has been done with the help of computers. In hospital, functions such as writing, medical prescriptions, documentation, operations are conducted with the help of computers. Children, computers also play an important role in banks. Not only are the accounts of customers kept in the computers, but they are also used to control the automated teller machines, that is ATMs. In this way, the customer can go to the ATM, and when he insert his bank card in the machine, he can get the money automatically. Children, in banks, not only computers are used to keep the customer's account, but they are also used in ATM machines. Now children, we will stop here. The other fields in which computers are used, we will see in the next video.